All right, guys. Good morning, afternoon, whatever you want to call this thing today. Anyway, what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be working on the train car again. Yes, this thing right here. We're going to be designing the frame. I do have the metal sitting here. We have to cut these down to 5 feet lengths because right now they're 10 feet a piece. The rest of it's all down there we got to deal with. But that's what we're going to be doing now. We're going to cut those down to 5 feet lengths. I'm going to try and design the one car, see how it goes, and then we're going to design the other ones all at the same time so we can weld them all at the same time. But I've only got one stand to hold them, so it may just be doing one at a time and then going from there. But with that note, let's just get cracking. Let's just get cutting and let's get going. Alright, we got the bottom, what do you call the frame of it, anchored, welded on, so it's not going anywhere. That's it right there. See if I can step back far enough so you guys can see it a little better. This light sucks, but anyway, that's it right there. So now what we gotta do is take the 2-inch, or the 1-inch square tubing that is down here on the floor, and what we gotta do is we gotta cut 2 foot lengths. 2 foot, 2 foot, 2 foot, 2 foot. Those are gonna be the axles. I'm gonna weld those onto here, and we're going to put braces, so as they come off this way, we're going to put a brace here to support it the weight this way, you know, and that'll actually work that way. It's actually going to be pretty strong because you remember the tire is going to go in with a bolt about 6 inches long. So, you know, let me show you the bolt. These are the bolts that are going to be the axle nuts. So they're actually going in pretty far. So if you think about it, that's where the tire is going to sit right here. So you got about 4 inches or so, 4.5 inches that's going to go inside of the 1-inch tubing to actually support that. So that's going to have a little more weight too as well. We have enough I have enough material to build all this. It's just gotta do it. So here we go. All right, guys, look at that. It is done. Well, it's done. I can't put the wheels on it just down. There's your axles right there. If you guys can see them through the light. If I switch to the other side, but here in just a minute, after all these welds cool down, it's hot. I gotta ground down a little bit so we can get everything on, but it is right there. And then no, there's no 2 axles on. This is just supporting it because of the way this is sitting. That's it right there. So hopefully on the number 2 and number 3 and number 4 cars, it'll be easier. Now I know what I'm doing design wise, so I can actually do this a lot easier than what I just did, because that was kind of a pain in the butt. But other than that, we're gonna keep going. We'll keep cracking. We'll probably time lapse all the rest of them. Maybe for you guys if you want to watch them all, or just watch another one and I'll just build the rest. Oh yeah, I haven't decided yet. Well, we'll get there, and yeah, it's starting to warm up today. Boy, I still wore a shorts and short sleeve shirt today. Well, might have to run home and change it, but anyway. Yeah. All right, guys, look at this. This is completely done. Look at this. It is now a roller. It is kind of cool, huh? That's it right there. So now we just gotta do the rest of them, but as of right now, what I want to do is I want to try something with this thing. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yep, we're gonna try it. So yeah, here we go. Well, guys, well, that didn't quite work like I hoped. I thought it'd spin a little faster than that. Oh well, no biggie, you know. I was trying to give you guys a little smoke show, something a little fun, but that didn't quite work. All they're doing is just rotating nice and slow, but did get some rubber when I moved this out of the way here. I'll show you real quick. There. Woo! we did get some rubber off this little. Now we'll do your signature right now. There you go. It was right there. I didn't do much damage to the wheel either. That's crazy. Anyway, back to work we go. Alright guys, little update. We got the tongue on it to actually hook up to that. We gotta fix that a little bit because it's not sitting straight, but right now we're working on gussets between here and here to support some weight, and we're pretty much done with that. Alright, here's one done, besides the seat and everything. Here's a roller and painting it. We're actually working on the next one right now. Alright guys, here's the first car. All done, ready. What are you doing? There you go. Wow! I fucking there it is guys, look. Woo! There comes a freaking bump in hell. Okay, crash time! Hey, slow to the plug. Oh yeah. I think we're having way too much fun. That was a little entertaining, let's just say the least. Woohoo, look at this.
380.
That's two cars.
Here.
So we got down. And
We have 380.
so with that note, we're not going to worry about filming the other two with that. Here you go. With that, we're just going to build the other two, and next time you see us, it'll be all done. All right, everybody, look at this.
Oh yeah, that's better.
It has 3 of the 4 cars. 4th car we couldn't finish because, yeah, ran out of the wire weld. I should have gone on that. Should have bought another spool, but it's almost done. As you guys can see, it is right. I'll walk in here. It's right here. We still got to finish putting the tongue on the front. I lost a bolt. We got to find a bolt for this other wheel on the other side. I got to get the gussets here done and the balls on the back so we can hook them together. But yeah, it's pretty simple design. If you guys look, just a coupler in the front. And that's it. Coupler to a ball. Just disconnect it, and that's it. Pretty simple. So now we're gonna go for a little ride, see if this actually works. All right, well, we're back. Had a little issue with the lawnmower. I'll close the garage. Whoop. Okay, well, here we go. We're gonna check it out. Gotta go. Hang on, it's go slow. Yeah, okay. Is that all the way? In the drive. Well, guys, that was fun and joyful. We each took turns riding, as you guys could tell, between both of us going. Actually does pretty well over curves, bumps, hills, whatever else. Everything flexes like it's supposed to. But anyway, if you guys like that, please like, share, subscribe. Subscribe for more content. Ring the bell for all notifications and chats. We will talk with you guys later when we see you guys next, I guess. Peace.